In a quiet corner of an old Paris street, where plants swayed gently in the morning breeze, a small orange cat sat on a wooden chair in front of a cozy little table. The table was covered with tiny delicious dishes, raspberry jam, soft cheese, and a small bowl of steaming hot cream. But the cat had eyes only for one thing, the croissant. She held it gently with her tiny paws, taking bite after bite with eager joy, her eyes half closed in happiness, and her little tail flicked in the air as if dancing to a silent tune. Some passers-by stopped and stared in wonder, but no one disturbed her. In this magical corner of Paris, it somehow felt perfectly normal for a cat to be enjoying her breakfast in peace. But this was no ordinary cat. Her name was Marmalade, and she had come from a faraway place that few knew of. Some say that anyone who sees her while feeling sad forgets their sadness at once. Maybe because looking at her fills the heart with warmth, or because her eyes held a strange kind of peace. As she continued munching on her croissant, Marmalade looked up at the soft blue sky and whispered to herself, "Maybe no one knows where I came from, but I know this is where I belong, here, in this sunlit corner of the world, where breakfast is warm, the breeze is gentle, and life is simple and sweet." Then she closed her eyes completely and smiled.